हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हैं आप सभी। आशा करता हूं कि आप सभी बहुत अच्छे होंगे। तो लीजिए, समर ब्रेक आ चुका है। समर ब्रेक में आप काफ़ी रिलैक्स हैं अपनी पढ़ाई से। तो हम इस समर ब्रेक को थोड़ा सा और नॉलेजेबल बनाते हैं और कुछ नॉलेज लेते हैं हम इस समर ब्रेक में। तो अब मैं आपको एक समर ब्रेक का हॉलीडे होमवर्क देने वाला हूं। आप सभी इसको ध्यान से देखिए। इस वीडियो में हम इंडिया के 8 क्लासिकल डांस जो भारतीय संगीत संस्थान के द्वारा अप्रूव्ड हैं, जिनको माना गया है कि ये शास्त्रीय नृत्य हैं, उनके बारे में हम आज नॉलेज लेंगे। वो 8 डांसेस कौन कौन से हैं? वो डांसेस हैं भरतनाट्यम, कथक, कुचिपुड़ी, उड़ीसी, कथकली, सत्रिया डांस, मणिपुरी और मोहिनी अट्टम। ये 8 डांसेस को भारतीय संगीत नाट्य अकादमी द्वारा मान्यता प्राप्त है। इन 8 डांसेस इंडिया में इनको शास्त्रीय नृत्य में माना जाता है। शास्त्रीय नृत्य मतलब क्लासिकल डांस। तो आज जानते हैं इन सब के बारे में कि इनमें कॉस्ट्यूम कैसा होता है, ये कहाँ पर ओरिजिन नहीं पाया जाता है। वैसे तो पूरे इंडिया में पाया जाता है, मगर कहाँ से ये शुरुआत हुई इसकी, वहाँ की हम नॉलेज लेंगे। इनका कॉस्ट्यूम कैसा होगा, इसमें वाद्य यंत्र कौन से बजते हैं, इंस्ट्रूमेंट कौन से बजते हैं, और इनके जो फेमस कलाकार हैं उनके बारे में हम जानकारी आज हम जानेंगे। इस समर ब्रेक का आपका ये है टास्क कि आपको इस वीडियो को पूरा देखना है, इसकी नॉलेज पूरी लेनी है। फिर उसके बाद मैं आपको जैसे ही ये समर ब्रेक्स पूरे होंगे, फिर मैं आपसे इसके बारे में एक क्वेश्चन आंसर रखूंगा। फिर देखते हैं कि आप में से कौन कौन है जिन सबने इस वीडियो को देखा है और आपने ये नॉलेज गेन की है। तो हम ये देखना चाहते हैं कि आप कितनी इस समर ब्रेक के अंदर, इस समर ब्रेक हॉलीडे को अच्छे से वीडियो देखते हो और आप नॉलेज गेन करते हो। ठीक है।
The Sangeet Natak Academy recognizes 8 forms of dances as classical. They are Bharatanatyam, Kathak, Kuchipudi, Odissi, Kathakali, Kshatriya, Manipuri and Mohiniyattam. These dances are traditionally regional. All of them include music and recitation in local language, as Sanskrit, and they represent a unity of core ideas in a diversity of styles, costumes and expression.
अब मैं बताता हूँ आपको। सबसे पहले हमारी बात आती है भरतनाट्यम के बारे में।
First, we will see about Bharatanatyam. Bharatanatyam is one of the most popular classical Indian dances. Bharatanatyam is more popular in South Indian states of Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. Bharatanatyam dance is almost 2000 years old. It is believed that Bharatanatyam was revealed by Lord Brahma to Bharata, a famous sage who then codified this sacred dance in a Sanskrit text called Natya Shastra. The Natya Shastra is one of the fundamental treatises on Indian drama and aesthetics. Instruments used in Bharatanatyam are mridangam, violin, veena, flute, and talam. The famous dancers are Rukmini Devi, Batma Subramaniam, Alarmelvalli, Yamini Krishnamurthy, Anita Ratnam, Mallika Sharabai, Mrinalini Sharabai, and Meenakshi Sundaram Pillai. Number 2. Kathak. Kathak is one of the most important classical dances of India. Kathak is said to be derived from the word katha, meaning the art of storytelling. The Kathak dance originated in North India and was very similar to Bharatanatyam dance form. In ancient India, there were Kathakars or bards who used to recite religious and mythological tales to the accompaniment, music, mime, and dance. Instruments used in Kathak are pakawaj, tabela, harmonium, sarangi, and talam. The famous dancers are Pandit Birju Maharaj, Sitara Devi, Shravana Narayanan, Malabika Mitra, Kumudini Lakia, Manisha Kalyani. Number 3. Kathakali. Kathakali is the classical dance form of Kerala. The word Kathakali literally means story play. Kathakali is known for its heavy, elaborate makeup and costumes. In fact, the colorful and fascinating costumes of Kathakali have become the most recognized icon of Kerala. Kathakali is considered as one of the most magnificent theatres of imagination and creativity. Kathakali dance presents themes derived from the Ramayana and the Mahabharata and some other Hindu epics, mythologies, and legends. Instruments that are used in Kathakali are chenda, madalam, and elathalam. Famous dancers are Kalamandalam Gopi, Padmanabhan Nair, Ramanakutti Nair, and Kumaran Nair. Number 4. Kuchipudi. Kuchipudi is one of the classical dance forms of South India. Kuchipudi derives its name from the Kuchipudi village of Andhra Pradesh. In the 17th century, the Kuchipudi village was presented to the Brahmins, who were experts in staging dance and drama. Kuchipudi exhibits scenes from the Hindu epics, legends, and mythological tales through a combination of music, dance, and acting. Like other classical dances, Kuchipudi also comprises pure dance, mime, and histrionics, but it is the use of speech that distinguishes Kuchipudi's presentation as dance drama. Instruments used in Kuchipudi are mridangam, violin, veena, flute, and talam. The famous dancers to be noted are Raja and Radha Reddy, Kaushalya Reddy, Yamini Reddy, Bhavana Reddy. Next in the line is Manipuri. Manipuri is one of the 8 major classical dances of India. Manipuri dance is indigenous to Manipur, the northeastern state of India. The Manipuri dance style is inextricably woven into the life pattern of Manipuri people. The most striking part of Manipuri dance is its colorful decoration, lightness of dancing foot, delicacy of abhinaya, lilting music, and poetic charm. The Manipuri dance form is mostly ritualistic and draws heavily from the rich culture of the state of Manipur. The major instruments used in Manipuri is Pong and cymbals. The famous dancers to be noted are Guru Bipin Singh, Darshan Javeri, Ranjana, Charu Mathur. Next in the line is Mohiniyattam. Mohiniyattam is a classical dance form of Kerala. Mohiniyattam is derived from the words Mohini, means beautiful woman, and Attam meaning dance. Thus, Mohiniyattam is a dance form, is a beautiful feminine style with surging flow of body movements. Mohiniyattam dance in Kerala developed in the tradition of Devadasi system, which later grew and developed a classical status. Instruments used in Mohiniyattam are Chenda, Madalam, and Ilathalam. The famous dancers to be noted are Sunanta Nair, Jayaprabha Menon, Pallavi Krishnan, Gopika Varma, Vijay Lakshmi, Smita Rajan. Number 7. Odissi. Odissi is one of the most famous classical Indian dances from Orissa state. The history of Odissi dance is almost 2000 years old. Odissi is a highly inspired, passionate, ecstatic, and sensuous form of dance. Like most of the South Indian classical dances of India, Odissi too had its origin in the Devadasi tradition. The instruments used in Odissi are Pakwaj, Tabela, Harmonium, Flute, and cymbals. The famous dancers in Odissi are Kelucharan Mohapatra, Deba Prasad Das, Pankaj Sarandash, and Gangadhar Pradhan, Aditi Bandyobdai. And the last one is Satriya. Satras are the Vaishnava monasteries in Assam. The saint poet Shankar Deva of the 15th century AD started this institution to bring harmony to the region of Assam through religion, creating forms of dance dramas, music, painting, and collective prayer. The dance forms which have come to stay are called Satriya dances, sharing all the characteristics of a classical dance form. The instruments used in Satriya are violin, cymbals, and khol. The famous dancers in Satriya are Guru Indra P.P. Vora, Jatin Goswami, Anita Sharma.